Haiti and the Dominican Republic are two countries that share an island called Hispaniola. The Taínos were the first people to live on the island. Christopher Columbus discovered the island for Spain in 1492. He established the first Spanish settlement in the Americas near Cape Haitian. Cape Haitian used to be called Cape Francis. At that time, Haiti was called Saint-Domingue. By the mid-1500s, the Taínos had mostly died from disease. There were almost 500,000 West African slaves in Haiti. Haiti became France's richest colony in the Western Hemisphere. Please donate to help me learn more about my culture, your culture, and the beautiful world that God created. Thank you.